When a customer brought in their vehicle complaining that the check engine light was on, I started the diagnostic process by connecting a scan tool. The scan tool revealed the code P0706, Transmission Range Sensor A Circuit Range Performance. This code indicates an issue with the transmission range sensor, which is responsible for detecting the gear position and communicating it to the engine control module, ECM. To investigate further, I monitored the live data on the scan tool while shifting the transmission from park to drive with the engine at idle. I noticed that the transmission range sensor parameter was inconsistent with the actual gear position, confirming that there was an issue with the sensor or its circuit. I then inspected the transmission range sensor's wiring harness and connector, checking for visible faults such as frayed wires, corrosion, or loose connections. Everything appeared to be in good condition. With the ignition on and the engine off, I used a multimeter to check for voltage and ground at the transmission range sensor connector. Both were present, indicating that the sensor was receiving the necessary power and ground. Next, I tested the continuity of the transmission range sensor by shifting the transmission through all gear positions while monitoring the sensor's response with a multimeter. The test revealed that continuity was not present in all positions, indicating that the internal circuitry of the sensor was faulty. The transmission range sensor is essential for ensuring the vehicle's ECM accurately identifies the transmission's gear position, which is critical for proper shifting and engine performance. To resolve the issue, I replaced the faulty transmission range sensor with a new one. After installing the new sensor, I cleared the fault codes and performed a road test to verify the repair. The vehicle operated smoothly, the check engine light stayed off, and no new fault codes appeared. This diagnostic approach was crucial to accurately identify and fix the issue.